The first decent cold front of the year is here, and even though it's not going to bring a lot of rain across the country, we do have a reaching high behind it that's helping to blast icy cold subpolar air across the country the next few days. So here's the details. The cold front making landfall early on Thursday morning over the southwestern coast, spreading a cloudy, cold and rainy conditions over parts of the western and southern Cape. And ahead of that front, we're expecting an upper level trough to transport scattered storms over northwest, later bubbling up over Gauteng, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. With that front, we're also expecting strong westerly winds to spread here along the coast of South Africa, and the Weather Service has also issued a yellow warning with the possibility of high seas with that cold front along the coastal regions of the western and later the eastern Cape, with isolated storms becoming severe here over northwest Gauteng and the southern regions of Mpumalanga. A few of those storms could likely result in a quick heavy downpour or even large amounts of small hail. That's where we're expecting scattered storms on Thursday here over the northeastern regions of South Africa, later moving over Gauteng, Mpumalanga and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Most of the rain falling over the mountainous regions of the Western Cape and along the southern coastline. That cold front quickly weakening, only bringing in cold conditions and some cloud with a few isolated showers for the rest of the Western Cape and Eastern Cape. But lots of cloud expected to hang over the Cape provinces on Thursday, but the sun coming out here over parts of the Northern Cape as well as the extreme northern regions of South Africa. The front's making landfall early on Thursday, as mentioned, with it an icy cold onshore flow expected, bringing lots of cloud and light rain throughout the day for parts of the Overberg as well as the Overstrand. It's cold only 14 Middelburg. This icy cold wind spreading along the southern coastline with rainy conditions expected over the coastal regions, mainly cloud and cold conditions spreading over large parts of the Karoo with only a few isolated light showers. In the Eastern Cape, ahead of that front, we're expecting mainly cloudy conditions with a slight chance of a quick shower, and then as that front moves over the Eastern Cape, we're expecting only isolated showers to spread over the eastern regions as well as over the interior, and also a southwesterly wind picking up along the coast. An onshore flow expected to bring in a few isolated showers for KwaZulu-Natal. It's a mainly cloudy and cool to mild day, with thunderstorms expected to move in from the north and then later move over the escarpment regions, moving close to Plettenberg or even Durban. Temperatures expected in the lower 20s for Mpumalanga. Later scattered thunderstorms expected to move over the Highveld. And remember, we've got that yellow level 2 warning in place for the southern regions. A few of those storms could likely become severe, so please be careful if the sky turns dark. In Limpopo, it's extremely hot in the low veld ahead of the stormy conditions with maximum temperatures above 30 degrees, and then isolated thunderstorms expected to bubble up here over parts of the Bushveld. In northwest, a band of cloud with showers of thunderstorms underneath stretching from Mahikeng over Klerksdorp, Ventersdorp and Potchefstroom, moving in an eastwards direction. But behind the shower conditions, we're expecting a foggy morning over the western regions of northwest as well as the northern Cape. We can already see how the cold weather is spreading over the northern Cape on Thursday. Only 8 the afternoon in Sutherland after an icy cold start of the day, dropping to freezing level, and maximum temperatures will be in the lower to mid-teens over the central regions. Forget first in parts of the Free State and the wind picking up over the western regions and isolated showers expected in the east. It's quite chilly with maximum temperatures not even reaching 20 degrees. And then scattered thunderstorms expected to reach Gauteng from the afternoon into the evening, moving in an eastwards direction with a level 2 warning in place for the southern regions as well as over the interior. Into Friday, the icy cold conditions spreading across South Africa. We can see only 14 degrees in Bloemfontein and 16 for Bethlehem. Windy along the coast and a few isolated storms for Limpopo, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. And then by Saturday, that cold blast now reaching northeastern South Africa, a significant drop in temperature, only 17 in Johannesburg and 14 degrees in Bethlehem. It is going to be quite sunny, but temperatures will battle to recover over the interior with maximum temperatures only in the mid-teens, but much warmer here in the far west with 26 degrees in Vredendal. Well, that's all from me. Stay warm, everyone.